Dyson stick vacuums have always been kind of fun to use. They feel a little like a Nerf gun, one that you weaponize against dirt. You pull the trigger and boom, take that dirt. Plus they have these modular pieces that just kind of, click into place. And this time, take a look, a hidden crevice tool inside the main compartment. But you probably wouldn't actually want to use this as a toy given the very high price. So is it worth it? Let's take a look. Hi, my name is Andrew from Abt, and this is the Dyson Gen5 Detect. And yes, I realize that I implied that vacuuming can be fun in my intro. And yes, I am sorry for that. Allow me to repent by telling you all about this vacuum, which can make the chore more efficient so you can spend more time on actually fun things like using this vacuum in a fake lightsaber battle. Pew, pew. You know what, strike that too, it costs $950. So don't play with it if you might break it. So what do you get for just under $1,000? Well, a 0.2 gallon bin with a cleaning path nearly 10 inches wide, 9.84 if you're counting. The battery boasts a whopping 70-minute runtime, though only a much more petite 5 minutes in max mode. But its main auto mode adjusts power automatically because its integrated piezo sensor can tell how much dirt is around so you can save power when you need to. Plus, you have a new hyperdymium motor in here with 262 air watts of suction power that can spin at 135,000 RPM. In addition to auto, you can vacuum in eco mode or boost mode, and the vac has a HEPA filter that can trap 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns. It supposedly expels clean air as it works. So stats, lots of stats, gobs of stats, and I haven't even gotten to the fanciest stuff. Dyson has never shied away from the premium end of things, and this is the vacuum to look at if you want a beastly stick vac with gobs of stats and are okay paying up for it. That said, you also have the Gen5 outsize if this monster isn't quite enough of a beast for you. If this is the great white of vacuums, I guess that makes the outsize the megalodon. It costs $1,050, it has a half gallon bin, a 12.6 inch cleaning width, and double the battery life. Otherwise, the fancy features between the outsize and the Detect are the same, and fancy they are. Check out this light. It illuminates the dust in front of your vacuum to help you see while you clean. If you'd like to say, ooh, ah, go for it now. If you'd like to say, hey Andrew, haven't I seen that on a Dyson vac before? I'd say, shh, let me enjoy the new thing. See, it's shiny. Okay, yeah, it was the key feature on their last high-end stick vac, the V15 Detect, and their last mid-range, the V12. But it's brighter now and set lower down for a more optimal angle, and the light is broader. That might all seem like window dressing, but aside from the fact that this is a vacuum and not in fact a window, it actually does help the dust stand out more if you're vacuuming in brighter light. So, good change. This model also has more battery life than its predecessor now and is heavier as a result. The display is a little different. Still the result of that piezo sensor as in the older model. And you'll see basic stuff here like your selected power mode and when you need to clean the filter and remaining battery time. But really, this display is to show you the dirt dusting in action. When the vac is on, you'll see these bars letting you know how much the vac is picking up. If it's doing a lot, maybe do another pass in that area. If it's clean, move on. And then when you stop the vac, you see numerical stats now. Another new feature letting you know how much dirt you picked up at different sizes. Not sure how you're actually supposed to use this info, but if you like gazing at that dustbin and admiring the amount of stuff you let accumulate on your floors between cleanings, well, this will give you something even more tangible to appreciate. So That's something. That's something. And the trigger isn't a trigger anymore. No need for a trigger warning. It's a button, which is maybe less fun, but handier for longer cleaning jobs. You don't have to hold it down. And oh yeah, that hidden crevice tool. Honestly, this might be the innovation that excites me the most here. I can't tell you how quickly I lose vacuum accessories like crevice tools, but I'm pretty sure scientists are studying the pure speed of my process because it's the closest humans have come to the speed of light. But this, you can't lose this, it's attached. And then you can just click and clack to remove the front and whoop, vacuum the corner, and then clack, and go right back to your hardwood, assuming that I can actually get the piece to fit, and there I did it. Or switch to the digital motor bar cleaner when you're more worried about pet hair than dust. It's got a detangler built right in. Also, washable filter in here. The roller in the fluffy head here, washable. You also get a separate hair screw tool and others depending on your package, so you still have some stuff that you can promptly lose if you're trying to challenge my land speed record. The main trade-offs for all of this are really just the price, which is no small consideration because it's such a big number, and speaking of weighty things, it is heavy for a Stick Vac. If you're worried about your comfort with the weight, come on by Abt. We've got it on display so you can wield it. Just, you know, as a very serious vacuum, not a lightsaber. For the price, check it out online and watch for sales or give us a call and ask about them. You've got options. We've got this vacuum and the outsize and some older Dysons and other brands. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. Comment below to let me know if you buy one and you think the premium is worth it. Thank you very much for tuning in, and happy vacuuming.